So now, first game of the season, tough, hard fought. How are you feeling?
We're pleased now we've got the 3 points. It's always tough first game, 100 mile an hour, but I thought the players adapted superbly. The game should have been over at half time really. We've hit the bar 2 or 3 times. We were camped in their half, played some lovely football. We had energy all over the park, and the boys deserved it. And you look second half, we lose a keeper in the first 5 minutes, and we put our centre forward in goal, and we still look as good as we did first half. So we've got to be over the moon. There's a lot of energy there. There's a great dressing room, and they deserve all the plaudits they're going to get, because that was a really, really good performance.
Yeah, sad about the injury. What were your feelings after that?
Well, obviously, first it's Lee. It's his first game. He's come in, and as you say, he hasn't put a foot wrong, and he goes and looks like he's broke his leg. But fingers crossed, we get good news over that, because it has overshadowed the result really. Because his health's more important than anything. But as you say, for the boys to carry on, we put Rio in goal, and the back four protected him in the way they did. We had a 16-year-old boy there, centre half, Lee Jenkins. Incredible to play like they did with Wes Bain, Steph Edwards, and the 3 boys in midfield. They all put a shift in, and fully deserved their win, fully deserved the 3 points. And it was a bit hard stopping in the last 8 minutes of injury time they played, but we looked like we could go on and score another one on the break. So we'll rest up now. We'll get the lads back down off cloud 9, and we'll train Tuesday and look forward to the live game here on Scorio against Cardiff Mets on Friday, which will be a really difficult game again.
As you said, quite a lot of people making their debuts tonight. How do you think, as a new team, all together, they did? I
thought they were superb. They've been like that in training, to be fair. There's some experienced lads there, and they say new team, time to gel. When they're experienced like that with the young legs we've got in the team, it makes it easier. And we've done well in pre-season. I don't think any team's passed through us, and so it's shown tonight. That the back 5 were outstanding, and that's a pleasing part of it. We're not leaking goals like we did last season, and with the legs we've got in front of them, the Matty Joneses and Rio Ahmadis and Ryan Edwards, they were outstanding tonight. And Joe Phillips, there's goals and all over the park. And on another day tonight, we could have had 4 or 5, but we'll be happy with a 1. It's a massive 3 points, first game of the season. It's really important to get a win, and we've managed to do that. So we'll rest up, and we'll go again Tuesday. And it's been a great night for the club, apart from Lee's injury.
Are you looking forward to the next game then?
We look forward to every game. It's football, isn't it? And you miss it, and it's our first game tonight, and you've seen us on the touchline. It means everything. And Llandudno, they've lost a game, so they'll know how it feels when you get beat. So, but that's the love of the game, and that's why we do it. It was a good competitive game. Both sides give it their all, and as you say, we've come out on top tonight. But it's only 3 points, but it's nice to get them first 3 points on board.